Hello, my name is Ankit. I recently completed my software testing training at STAD Solution. It was an excellent experience. The trainers are expert in the field and provide clear practical lessons. The course is very well structured, covering everything from basics to advanced topics like automation. The best part is the hand-on projects which helped me gain real-world experience. The institute also offers great support and flexible schedules. I feel confident and ready to start my career in software testing. I highly recommended STAD Solution for anyone looking to learn testing skills. Thank you.